Hi everyone, welcome back to a new art challenge video, and today I want to turn this beautiful scene into a picture. So before I start, I want to thank Starless Art Studio for this beautiful poses. They helped me a lot to improve my art style, and this is one of the poses. Anyways, so yeah, before I start, I'm sorry I forgot to record the video, so I will undo all the steps and redo them. So let's talk together. So basically this is a sunset I have seen on the sea, and I took a picture and I want to change this scene into a character, and I feel like the queen of the sea sunset. So all these colors are basically from the picture, except the blue in her hair. It's a little bit lighter, but this blue represents the sea. So yeah, anyway, I really wanted to represent this scene into a character, and I feel I'm very happy about it. And this is fully drawn using my phone without any digital tablet or digital pen or anything. My phone and my fingers. So believe or not, I know most people with digital tablets, they will say it's impossible how you can draw with a small screen and without a pen. This is fully drawn by my phone. There is a little bit of like helping. I zoom in a lot because I want to draw the line perfectly. And yeah, so I mainly use an airbrush to color the difference. I use smudge to smudge on the colors, and I use a filling tool to fill up all this and like to make this our mix together. Yeah, and I put a lot of some makeup, and I'm very proud of this. Yeah, I'm very proud. The final results are stunning, and I'm very proud that I have drawn this with my phone. I don't have any digital tablet or any digital facility, and if you don't believe me, tell me in the comments to draw a video on my hand and my screen to prove to you that I can draw with my phone, if you don't believe me. Anyway, so let us jump into the final results. As you see, I'm playing with the tools, and this is Autodesk Sketchbook, so thank you a lot for Autodesk Sketchbook. It's a completely free app with a lot of brushes and a lot of tools, completely free, available on Android and iOS. So if you want to use it, that's it. Yeah, I hope you'll use it because it's actually very beautiful. Anyway, we are now jumping on the final results, and the picture is near the girl. I want to remove the layer of the picture. Anyway, this is the queen of the sea sunset. Here I'm trying to use glowing effect to make the sun glowing, and of course I love this tool a lot to make the sun, the moon, any light effect. I use the glowing brush effect. Yeah, it's very beautiful. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is the first fully digital video. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm proud of this. And yeah, thank you for watching. Let us see the final results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more videos, and see you later in a new art video. And bye. We upload video every Sunday and Thursday.